I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another install video. Today we're gonna be doing a PS Designs WICKERBILL on this Dodge Challenger, as well as Motorsports Authority rear diffuser. So we're gonna speed this up. I'm gonna show you guys now that you need a 25/64 drill bit to drill the holes for the riv nuts in the rear diffuser in a WICKERBILL, as well as a 1/8 drill bit to start the pilot holes for the WICKERBILL. So here we go. All right, guys, so we've prepped the car, we cleaned it off, so now we're gonna tape the WICKERBILL on so we can get our guide holes in a proper place. This is where you want to take the most time measuring, making sure you have your WICKERBILL lined up right. So that's about, I'm gonna square it up with the camera. That way it's flush. So now that I have that in place, I'm gonna take it off. It's called double-sided tape. All right, fine. Get that out. All right, now we have it in place. now, this portion, using a 2564 drill bit. Alright guys, so I've drilled the pilot holes and the actual holes for the rib nuts. So the kit comes with this. It comes with this tool right here, where you can use grip pliers if you don't have a rib nut tool like this. So I'm gonna show you how to use this tool, inserting the rib nuts. You need a 7/16 ratchet. All right, once it's in there tight, you just loosen and there you have it. There's your rib nut right there. We're gonna do 7 more down the side here. There's 4 on each side of the reverse camera. So I'm gonna do this now. So the rib nut tool, just like that. Put your rib nut on. And that's how you do it with rib nut. Alright guys, so that is the PS Designs WICKERBILL on the Dodge Challenger. It has an actual, this middle piece is actually adjustable. You can raise and lower it. And because this part of the trunk is all solid, you can move this without worry of it getting in the way of you opening and closing your trunk. So that's pretty cool. Lower it and raise it in this center part here. So now on to the lower rear diffuser from Authority Motorsports. Their IG is Authority Motorsports. So we're gonna do this now, and they are out of Miami, I believe. So this also requires no removal of the bumper. It just requirements of measuring and minor drilling. So here we go. the Authority Motorsports rear diffuser kit for the 2015 and up Challengers. Of course, up to the wide bodies. But you got a Hellcat wide body, it was like 2018, I think, or 2019. The Hellcat Challenger wide body. But anyways, on the standard SXT, SRT, Scat Pack rear diffusers for the Challengers, this works. Looks pretty smooth. These grooves in here. So you got an option of doing them the standard way they have them, or you can do your own spacing, which is what we did with this one. So this is how it looks. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick install. This one just required a lot of drilling, stuff like that, so I didn't want to eat up a lot of time, so that's why I sped it up. But you just get your measurements, drill your holes, then you drill in to the bumper. As you saw, you have to put each bracket on with the bolts. So that was kind of time consuming, but it wasn't that bad. So hope you guys enjoyed this video of the PS Designs rear diffuser for the Challenger, as well as the Authority Motorsport rear diffuser kit. So, all right, guys. So that was Courtney's car. Hit him up on IG at C_Reese94. We'll get a close up right there. I can see it. That's him. It's a dope ride. We did the rear diffusers at the bottom and the WICKERBILL up top. So that's another one for the books for Octane Reactor 92 for Reese. See you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Later. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!